president and kabeme de pani di nkomo no. Eugene, yes say empanyfo wa asem bi se sebi okwasia ena ensesa na adwene. And akurase maka enso menwe
Ebebe
ebe ami bu nyina ye Kotoko ni position on Ghanaian players we have players with Ghanaian descent, and I like the position of the president, Mr. Kurt Edwin Simeon Okreku Eugene. It may be a term last year in October 2025. Him say the World Cup draw ebaso in December 2025, specifically 5th December. But Eugene, on the October of 2025, Kotoko ni TV3 for a interview, which is 3 sports, and that interview a spike argument the internet, a spike argument within sports homes. You will feel be how per football, you will feel be how many the Black Stars achieve. And after that interview with TV3 no Eugene, Kotoko comments no a topic for discussion. Now what did Kurt say with TV3 in October 2025? I'm quoting Kurt or say Yebusano with now that you qualify no Ghana's position on players are more Ghanaian descent. Say omunchi a free or my Ghanaian, and in 2025 na Kotoko position here. Kotoko say players who have not shown enough commitment to the Ghanaian flag will not be part of us. There must be a good reason why players are included in the traveling squad. I want players who display high levels of dedication, passion, and respect for Ghana. And see, right after this comment, now the argument was that Ghana shouldn't give a room for Edin Ketia. Ghana shouldn't give a room for Callum Hobson-Odoi. But Eugene, president and assassin radio din komo, and the narratives assessor. We any idea may start here me bubu bear. What can I say? A baby de any day no. It is from the voice watch there no. Say see Kotoko open the doors to every Ghanaian player with a Ghanaian descent. And I like that position. I like the angle no the free banner. Say football is becoming competitive. The Moroccans Omokobo AFCON Omudi second. But Eugene, there was one outstanding figure Morocco set up him in the shape of Diaz. Eugene, Raheem Diaz rejected Morocco on countless occasions. Raheem Diaz now forcing the way out in the Spanish national team.
Ibrahim Diaz.
Eugene, to add up, he even made himself available during the Euros, but they didn't give him the opportunity. Eugene, when the time be said, now Spain are close to the doors to Ibrahim Diaz. I think Morocco got the opportunity, seized the opportunity, and I'm be a donor to Ibrahim Diaz. And then this AFCON, even though say Morocco was outstanding, but Eugene, Ibrahim Diaz as an individual, the contributing factor the bar on board Had it not been that miss over the final of the AFCON, and also Krano, the Moroccans are accepted say, due to the circumstance, are building up in the final, no, and then they contributed to the loss. Morocco, so I think that you better use Morocco as a case study. Looking at the strength of the Moroccan national team, when the need be, say also omo pin omo door to omo boy omo say oye Moroccan decent, they opened the door for him. They eschewed their ego, and Ibrahim Diaz was a story at the AFCON. The make Kakusi say, "Kept position now when you I like that." It's voice now, boy, you know. Kurt say, if you are born in Sisala, you are a Ghanaian. If you are born in Milan, you are a Ghanaian. And the Kurt say, if the need be, say, the coaches want those players to come and play, they have to play because the football world has now been a competitive market. He even used Germany, Spain, England, say England. They go into other countries. All Boma other countries. It's yen or my Ghana. We are not better than those countries. So any Ghanaian player, whether Eugene, if the player in the eyes of the technical team is deemed fit to feature for Ghana at the World Cup, that player has to join the team.
Okay.
And I like the position of Kotoko. Sebi kwasia NSS anadwene. And penifo say akuramaka na nso menwe. So now the argument that yembie door so ne ma Callum Hudson Odoi, yembie door ne ma Edin Ketia Eugene. I think after the interview with Asase Radio, you're close to that chapter now. Now Ghana will be ready to welcome any Ghanaian decent.
You got on GF Communications na.
Interview there.
Hey boy, on GF Communications na na we ya.
The Asase Radio.
On GF Communications na.
This morning with Asase Radio.
Oh, they any different.
Maybe they any different.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I think say you know communicate saying
sure.
He is opening the doors for Ghanaian players more elsewhere, and the football world is being competitive. So we admitted the competitiveness and our from. So Eugene, I'm really happy for Kotoko. Sebi kwasia NSS anagene. Now to Asante Kotoko Eugene.